Hey everyone, wanted to do another little tip here. So we got our sealer there, did a used store. There's that finger again. A used store. Oh man, that's funny. Okay, used door. I put sealer on it, brand new fender, put sealer on it. Blending. I put a little bit of sealer there, right? And then I use my Spray Max blender. And as you can see, still wet, but the transition is amazing. All right, same thing with here. Look at the transition. That will disappear. That will disappear completely. Okay, but one of the keys is to let that dry completely. So let it sit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and then put a very light coat on that, because if you put it on too wet, as I figured out with a friend of mine that messaged me, I got a halo and around the blender. So what you got to do is you got to let the blender dry really well for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your temperature, and then you put a light coat, and then you can hammer it on however you want. But this will save you a lot of headaches because of the fact that you have the same substrate on the door, on your blend panels, than on the door. So then you're good to go. Nothing, no problems. And I used my gun there, my neutralizer gun, and this is hopefully bound to be a successful paint job. Anyways, here's what I use. I am in no way, shape, or form associated with this company or pay me or anything like that. I just like the product, and I honestly use it every single day of my life, except Sundays and Saturdays, because I don't really work. Anyways, all right, love you so much. Take care. God bless you. Peace.